yours. You can hold.
So today we're here with Cyril, and he presented with chronic lower back pain probably a couple of months ago, a few months ago, and he's been following our plan, and he's holding pretty steady with his adjustments. So we're gonna give him a quick check and see where he's at and adjust him. So chronic lower back pain sometimes comes from repetitive injuries or sitting in a certain position. Typically guys sit on their wallets, women wear heels, and they tend to carry their purses heavier on one side than the other. So lots of things, but misalignments can occur from stress. Stress could be physical. Take a deep breath in. Go all the way out. Awesome. We're going to go a little lower, deep breath in, and all the way out. Awesome. You know, injuries, accidents, falls, and trauma. It could be emotional. It's like stress of everyday living. And then there's the environmental factors. Take a deep breath in and blow it all the way out. Nice. Beautiful turn up. Beautiful. On your back. So he's in the second phase of care now. The initial phase is getting you out of pain, giving you some relief and stability. And the second phase is giving you rehabbing the spine and making sure that you start holding your alignments, which he's starting to do a lot better these days. He's also a teacher, so we need to take good care of our teachers. They're our future. That's right there. So good adjustments. So if you have any issues, questions, concerns, give us a call.